Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to very quickly show you how to change the metronome sound in Ableton Live. So we can toggle the metronome on and off using this little metronome button at the top here. And we can select between the three different built-in sounds using the drop-down arrow here. We've got classic, click, and wood. So that's how we can swap between the built-in sounds. But there's something even cooler. You can actually replace the metronome sound with your own sound. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, I find that when I'm recording vocals, some of my vocals are very quiet. I also have a habit of recording vocals with only one headphone on because I like to hear the sound of my voice in a more natural environment than through the headphones. Now, doing that means that there's a risk of the sound of the built-in metronomes bleeding through onto the recording because there's a lot of high frequencies in them. So I replaced the metronome sound with a sine wave, and this is how I did it. So I just recorded a very basic sound wave at C3, and then the same very basic sound wave tone an octave higher at C4. Now what you do is open up your applications folder, right click on Ableton Live and click Show Package Contents. And then go to App Resources, Miscellaneous, MISC, Metronome, and then those WAV files that say metronome and metronome up.wav, you want to replace those with your own files. So you want to rename your own files to metronome and metronome up.wav. But before you do that, make backups of the originals. Change those names to metronome backup.wav and metronome up backup.wav, just so that you don't lose the original wave files. So now when I use the metronome on classic sound, I get a sine wave with very little top end in it, which is much better for recording vocals. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.